Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Listen, y'all know that I don't normally roll like completely healthy, but I'm trying, okay? So I've had a lot of people ask me to do recipes that are Weight Watcher friendly, and this is one of them. I'm going to a brunch this weekend for my favorite goddaughter, Sarah, who's graduating from college, and my job was to make the blueberry muffins, which I'm going to make. I'm going to make them fully loaded. But because I will be tempted to eat the blueberry muffins, I thought, I need to make me something to take. So I'm making the Weight Watcher version of blueberry banana bread. So here's how I'm going to do it, y'all. Okay, look, this is my version. I looked it up on Pinterest. It's not that hard, but this is what I'm doing, okay? I ain't mashing up bananas. I don't have time. So I'm putting my bananas in my three of them. 3 large ripe bananas. These are the ripest ones I had. And at the food line, it's hard to find real ripe bananas these days. They just don't have them. I don't know what they're putting on them. And not too long ago, I bought some that never ripened up. That's weird, right? Anyway, so 3 bananas, okay? 2 tablespoons of lemon juice that I'm putting over the bananas. And I'll post a picture of this recipe after I get my other stuff done, because I got a lot of baking to do, which feels normal to me. I love to bake. Love it. Okay. There's 2. All right. I'm going to, instead of mashing them and taking the time to mash them, I'm going to put them right here on the handy dandy mixer and mix that butter while I get my other stuff ready. Now, I've measured out my stuff. And look, my dishwasher's broke, so like I ain't trying to make more dishes that I have to wash by hand. It's spoiled like that. I ain't gonna lie about it. Okay, that did a great job mashing the bananas. I don't think y'all can see that, but trust me. You know, keeping it real, I'll tell you the truth. Okay, to that, I've never made this before, so I'm cheating and looking at the directions. To that, I'm going to add applesauce and agave. Y'all look, I didn't even know where to buy agave in the grocery store. Didn't even know what it was, but I found it. Half a cup of agave nectar. And let's see, applesauce. 1/3 cup, which I totally forgot to get out, so you have to give me a minute. This is part of keeping it real. I buy this kind of applesauce on the go as a snack. It's just convenient. And you know, with bacon, you gotta be. All right, that actually was 1/3 a cup. Who knew? I'm gonna add that. Let me grab a little spatula. Okay, I'm gonna mix that in. Toss that. Now, look, y'all, I've never bought whole wheat flour for my whole life either, but that's what it called for. And that's what we're getting ready to put in. The recipe says to mix this in a dry, you know, like your dry ingredient bowl. Which tonight, let's see, am I going to do a dry ingredient bowl? I guess I will. I don't really want to because, like I said, dishwasher broke. Went yesterday, bought a new dishwasher, waiting for them to call to install it. Okay, we're going to do 2 cups of the whole wheat flour. And when I'm measuring, I kind of shake mine down. You can do it with a knife and rake it off. It's up to you. This is my vlog, so I do it my way. It's not always the right way, just so you know. All right, there's 2. Now, I also am going to add to this 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Is that baking soda? No, 3/4 of baking powder. Baking powder. Look, these are 4 points per slice, okay? Right now I get 27 points. So 4 points sounds pretty darn good to me, instead of blowing it by eating blueberry muffins that are fully loaded, which I love them, but you have to make the sacrifice and choose where you want to spend your points. Okay, there's 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder, and then a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Lord, I can't hardly see anymore. Who's with me on that? Okay, that's my dry ingredients. Now, I'm going to add my dry ingredients to my, let me make sure I got everything. Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to add it to this. Stir it in. Smells good. Just saying. I don't even know what agave is. I guess it's some kind of I don't know. Version with honey or something. I don't know. Anyway. Alright, let's speed that up. Now, I'm going to fold in 1 cup of blueberries, which thankfully I have a good friend, Tracy and Jeff Crispin, who have blueberry bushes, and they are so kind to share their blueberries with me. And I appreciate it. And look, if this is real good, I'll make it again and bring y'all some. Let's see how it tastes. Okay. We'll see. I'm going to fold this in. I'm going to put this into a sprayed loaf pan. And I will show you a picture of it when it comes out of the oven. And I'll let you know how it turns out. You know I'll be brutally honest. But they didn't have no eggs in it. I kept looking back at the recipe to make sure I was right, you know, reading it right. I hope I'm right. I guess the applesauce maybe? No, that's probably for the oil. Maybe the bananas, the applesauce. I don't know. I don't know. This healthy cooking stuff is new to me, okay? Don't hold me accountable to it, okay? I'm experimenting. Okay. So this is going into a 350 degree oven for 50 to 60 minutes. I'm going to set my timer for 50 and check it. See if it's done. Like I said, I'll show you a picture of the finished product when I get it out. Blueberry banana bread, 4 points. 4. Cooking, cutting up, keeping around.